It's taco time. Let's make some tacos. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and yes, we are making tacos. Keeping it simple today, but delicious. So let's get started. So I just got your basic taco stuff. I got tortilla shells. I got the nice small ones. Got some cheese. Can't go wrong with some Taco Bell hot sauce. Got my ground beef, taco seasoning for the ground beef, shredded lettuce, and then optional, got some jalapenos and some salsa. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get my griddle heated up. And I know it's nothing extravagant, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing elegant. There isn't big flames shooting out of the sky. But who doesn't love tacos? And plus, it's fun to make. It's tacos. I mean, you can't go wrong with tacos. Taco Tuesday, I mean, like, it's everywhere. So keeping it simple and yet tasty, because that's how we roll around here, or at least that's how I do today. So there's that. It's fun cooking outdoors. You get to listen to all the random noises like buses and airplanes, and crickets, and birds, and dogs, and cars, screaming children, more cars, occasional motorcycle, trucks, buses, trucks. So quick side note, the only reason I'm using the taco seasoning and not like the taco packets that you can get for like 39 cents or whatever is because with the packets you have to use water, and it's a little hard to use water on a flat surface like this. So I'm just using the taco season. It's pretty much the same stuff. I mean, you can make it your own. Just some chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, garlic, that kind of stuff. You know, you can make it yourself, but we're just keeping it simple, and I'm trying to use some of this up, so I got some taco seasoning. All right, so since we have a little bit of a break from the outside world and that my griddle's getting hot, let's put our beef on. Now I got about 2 pounds of ground beef. And we're gonna give this a good chop. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and season this now. I'm putting quite a bit on because, like I said, I got about 2 pounds here, and you're just gonna kind of keep chopping it and keep mixing it up. Now this only took about 5 minutes, which isn't too bad. Ground beef kind of, especially on something hot, kind of cooks kind of quick, so it's not so bad. But you do want to make sure that it's cooked all the way through, that there's no big pink clumps, and that's kind of what chopping it all the way through does. Breaks it up so that it continues to cook. Okay, and then I got a nice big bowl here. Now, if you want, while your griddle's still hot, take a couple of your tortillas and put them on for like 30 seconds and let them heat up so they're nice and soft. Then we'll go inside and assemble some tacos. All right, so let's make some tacos. All right, so first, ground beef. And then I'm feeling spicy. I'm gonna put some jalapenos on here. Okay, then some chow chow. And no, I'm still not putting sour cream on it. Start with me. And let's go with some lettuce, because we eat our vegetables around here, and then some of our cheese, and then some hot sauce, because why not? Boom, taco, boom. You're jealous, it's okay, we still love you. There you go. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's taco. That's a very meaty taco. Nothing better than just a solid, quality, simple taco. I guess you're not doing it right if you're not making a mess everywhere. I'd say that was a pretty good taco right there. That was good. I'm definitely gonna eat more. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Tacos on the Blackstone. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below. Tell me what to do next, what you think I should do next, and how I did. And as always, guys, peace out. It's taco time! Taco time! Oh yeah! Taco time! All the tacos for me!